Hey, can I talk to you? Alone?
So what's going on? Something wrong?
No, I just wanted to talk to you about something about me.
Alex, whatever it is, you can tell me.
It's about Maggie.
You're a cop friend.
She and I started working on a couple cases together, and you know, we started hanging out after work, and you know, I started thinking about her.
I don't know what that means.
I mean, I started to develop feelings for her.
Feelings. Like,
Yeah. Those feelings.
oh,
So Maggie thought that I should tell you, and so I did. I just did.
so she's gay.
Yeah.
And are you saying you're gay too?
I don't know. I'm just trying to make sense of it all. It's so complicated.
Alex, it kind of sounds like you're coming out to me. Have you felt like this before?
Not like this.
Have you ever been with a girl?
No. Never.
Okay, what's different? I know you haven't been dating much lately.
This isn't because I haven't found the right guy.
I never said it was. I'm just trying to understand, okay?
You know, I'm up all night just thinking about it. And if I'm being honest, you know, I realize that maybe I've had thoughts like this before. You remember my best friend in high school, Vicky Donahue?
Yeah, I remember Vicky. You guys had a really bad falling out, right?
I used to love sleeping over at her house. In her room. In her bed. And I think I felt something then, and it scared me, you know, because the next thing I know, I'm fighting with her over something so stupid, and we just drifted apart. I shoved that memory down so deep inside that it's like it never happened. I'm remembering stuff like that now.
So, are you and Maggie like, I mean, do you know if she likes you?
I know. I don't really want to talk about it anymore.
Alex.